All right, y'all. I know y'all not tired. Keep walking with me. So we're still in the introduction. Now, this part's deep. We're getting deep. We're getting deep. Most couples try to fix things from the outside in, but God rebuilds unity from the inside out. That's deep. So you don't need more flowers or right outside in, or give me more compliments and things like that. Sometimes you see the biggest thing is here. This goes with extreme accountability. So I used to, when we were building our unity, it's going to come with communication break, right? So you're going to have to talk about those things. And I used to be like, man, she just, I don't know why this and that. So God will come talk to me, and I'm just like, yeah, do you see how like she was saying that and she did this and that? And he's like, okay, yeah, cool. What about that? What you did and what you said? Yeah. But like, she just don't understand. And what is she talking about? And What about what you said? What about your tone? Yeah, yeah. But let's come back to let's focus on when he said, "What about you?" What did that teach me? Be accountable for myself first. Put that on the table, and then if I still have a problem with something else, by that time we're both able to come together and be like, okay, we can either agree or disagree, or okay, that's fine. But we're so you focused, external. We're never taking it internal, and that's where God works first, inside out. What about you? What about the character, the lack of in you? What about the lack of regulating emotions in you? Now, once you deal with you, then we can start dealing with somebody else. What does the Bible say? Right? You looking at the speck in your neighbor's eye, but what about that plank in your own eye? It's extreme accountability, just in some old 1500 terms. Same thing, same principles. Principles are principles, no matter how you say it and what type of way. We have to look at ourselves, be intrinsic. See, okay, you know what? Yup, tone was off. I was saying the right things in the wrong tone. So now I can equal that you heard nothing because I didn't have the right tone. It was off-putting. That's my fault. But I didn't like this. Okay, I probably overstepped there. Maybe that word or this thing was too much. Okay, all right. So now what's the solution? I'm gonna fix my tone next time. And for me, I'm not gonna maybe say that word that you don't like. Okay, we can do that. We can work on that. And then of course we're gonna have to give grades. It might slip, but let's work on it. Let's not just have that conversation and then go to the next and forget and just do it again. Let's actually okay. I'm working on my tone. I'm trying to calmly say like it's gonna be hard at first. You're going against your nature, but you can do it. You can do it. You have to be conscientious of it. Your autopilot is not good enough. If it was, then you wouldn't be arguing. You have to consciously say, okay, I've seen this situation before. Now, how do I handle it the right way this time? How do I handle it the built on unity way this time? Or just keep handling it the way you handle it and get the results that you got. It's all up to you. But decisions come with their consequences, so we have to make it.